Hi guys, in this video I will tell you about how to create a viral anime avatar for YouTube videos, which gains millions of views in YouTube. So follow these steps to create an viral anime avatar videos. First thing you need to do is download an anime avatar, which is free to generate. You can generate in Leonardo AI and many to create an anime avatar and then video of anime mouth. For this, you should download the anime mouth. Once you downloaded it, you can add into the project for editing the anime avatar. I am using CapCut to edit the video. You can edit in any video editor you prefer, and then our viral anime avatar video is here. Thanks for watching this video till here. If you like this video, please share and subscribe for many content. Thank you guys.